How to fix Snapchat sound not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Snapchat sound not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is check if your Snapchat is updated to the latest version. For that, you can head over to your Snapchat or App Store and open up your App Store. After you open up your App Store, simply head over to your search bar and then search for Snapchat. Now open up your Snapchat and check if an update is available. Now there should be update instead of the open button. So tap on update if there is available and then upgrade your Snapchat to the latest version. What this does is that if there is any bugs, Snapchat update will fix most of those bugs, and if the sound is not working due to a bug, it will get fixed. Now the second thing you can do is head over to your settings. On your settings, scroll down to general. Under general, you can scroll down till you find iPhone storage, and right there you will need to open up Snapchat. So let me just open up Snapchat, open it up and then offload the app. What this does is this will remove all the cache memory in your Snapchat. So tap on offload and then reinstall it back again. After doing all that, if you're still having the same problem, you can open up Snapchat, and after you open up your Snapchat, tap on your profile. Let me just tap on your profile, and now what you can do is tap on the settings option, scroll down, and you can get a lot of settings here. You will see clear data option. From here you can clear your cache again. Now this will clear your in-apps caching. After you clear your in-app caching, you can head back and then you can again go back to your home page, and if nothing works, you can open up your browser and contact your Snapchat support. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.